Hi students, let's try to understand three-dimensional representation of organic molecules or organic compound, right? So three-dimensional means we are going to utilize all the three axes. Here you see the three-dimensional 3D structure of organic molecule can be represented on paper by using certain convention. Okay, so how can you be able to use 3D structure with the help of paper by using certain convention? Okay, for example, by using solid and dash wedge formula. Okay, first one is solid, this is the solid case student, and second one is a dash wedge formula. The 3D image of a molecule from a no, the 3D image of a molecule from a two-dimensional picture can be perceived. They are saying the 3D image of a molecule from two-dimensional picture can be perceived. In these formula, the solid wedge is used to indicate a bond projecting out of the plane of paper. Okay, in these formula, the solid wedge is used to indicate a bond project out of the plane. Okay, so solid wedge, what is doing, student? Okay, they are saying the 3D image of a molecule from two-dimensional picture can be perceived. Okay, in this formula, the solid wedge is used to indicate a bond project out of the plane. Okay, so here you see this is out bond towards the observer. Okay, solid wedge, they are saying bond towards the observer. Okay, means you are going to watch the compound from here. Okay, so you are finding means what, student? That is they are saying that is towards coming the observer, that is solid wedge towards the observer. The dash wedge is used to depict the bond project out of the plane of the paper and away from the observer. So you see this is dash is going away, dash wedge bond away from the observer, it's going away. Next one is what is wedge are shown in such a way that the broad end of the wedge is towards the observer. The bond line on the plane of the paper are depicted by using a normal line. This is that 3D representation of methane molecule on paper has been shown. So other bond line in the plane of the paper. So this is what is there. They are the bond line, here the single line represented, and this is the solid dash line which is towards the observer, and dash wedge line, this is away from observer. So this is what the 3D representation of organic molecule, student. Thank you, students.